Yo guys, it's your boy again, Okpeme Manuel, a photographer based in Lagos, Nigeria. This tutorial is basically on how to create document separation action for 8-bit images in Photoshop. Come to actions, okay, this action button, and if you feel you cannot find on your system, don't bother, just come to Windows, then come and make sure action is checked here. Once it's checked, you see action pop up like this. So the next thing, I want to create a new action, and I want to rename this as HS frequency separation 8-bit images ISO. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on record button here. You can see this red icon showing okay, something is recording on the background. This means that anything I do on this interface now will be recorded, by Photoshop. The next thing I'm just going to do is to duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl plus J or Command plus J on my Ctrl plus J by pressing Ctrl plus J on my keyboard on my Windows, or Command plus J on your Mac. Alright, like so. I want to rename this guy to my, let's say, color. Then come to this side and rename this upper layer as my texture. Okay, good. So now after doing that, I want to uncheck the visibility icon of this texture layer and make sure my color layer is selected. Come to filter and set blur, Ocean blur, then add a radius of 10. Click OK. Then come to this place and uncheck the visibility icon of a texture layer. Then come to image, apply image, and then this time around you want to select color, which is selected already, color. Then your layer, select color. Then come to your blending option, select subtract, then come to your scale, add scale of 2, then your offset of 128. Then you want to uncheck this so that I can have the half of the RGB color, which is 128 here, offset, like that. Now you want to click on OK. Now after clicking OK, the next thing you want to do is to, while texture layer is selected, you want to hold down Shift on your keyboard and then select color layer so that the two layers will be highlighted. Then press Ctrl G to group the layers together. Now the next thing I will do is to rename this as HS frequency separation 8 bits. So presently now I can stop my recording here, then whatsoever thing I have recorded has become an action. So if I delete this guy now, I can just come here and play that back. Can you see now? HS frequency separation action 8 bits. When I place it, you run it immediately for me. This is exactly how you create frequency separation action in Photoshop. If you know that this tutorial has helped you grow in one way or the other, please do well to like and then also share. Drop comment in the comment section if you have a better way of doing this. Thank you and peace out.